Slather on some sunscreen and whip out your sunglasses, because it is on at the Disney water park.
Yes! Oh, this is a quiet ride, sorry.
I am going to show you how to chill, and I am going to show you how to thrill at two of the most imaginative water playgrounds in the universe. Let's hit it.
Come on, y'all!
Going down. These are my kind of people. That's a ride, baby. They didn't even see me run. I still got it.
Welcome to the perfect storm, Disney's Typhoon Lagoon water park. Typhoon Lagoon, big lake bed, is this big old honking wave pool. This thing is one of the largest inland wave pools in the world. Breaks up a 6-footer every minute and a half, sends it to shore and pretty much takes out everything in its path.
Splashdown. There's another breed of water here at Typhoon Lagoon that's a little more my speed. The lazy river. You know what I'm talking about.
The next thing you gotta check out at Typhoon Lagoon is Shark Reef. Wonder why they call it that. Actually, sharks aren't all that's down here. Stingrays, corals, tons of gorgeous fish. It's pretty amazing.
There's a stingray! That is the closest I've been to sharks ever in my life. And I wasn't scared.
Welcome to the one and only ski resort on the Meltdown, Disney's Blizzard Beach water park. If you're looking for the extreme in water park rides, then this is it. 120 feet up off the deck of Blizzard Beach is a little water-powered wedge machine called Summit Plummet. It's all good, baby. It's all good. It's just you and what's left of your bathing suit doing 55 miles per hour straight down the chute, brother.
Hammock. Must find hammock.
Let's get it on. Here we go, it's game time, baby! Whoa! Yeah!
Lazy river.
That one's more my speed. Sleepy face is going down. Water parks? They're incredible. Hey, you want to add them into your ticket? No sweat. It's called the Magic Plus Pack option. Add it to a Magic Your Way pass, and not only are the water parks included, but that little gem will also get you into Pleasure Island, Disney Quest Indoor Interactive Theme Park, and more. So go ahead, add it on.
I did.